Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a link to column in Elementor. Let's go to our WordPress website, and here as you can see I have two columns. We can create a new. If I click on this plus sign I can select two column layout, and if I would want to add a link to this first column, all I need to do is, as you can see here, if I hover this small icon, I need to go over this icon and I need to click on it. And once I click on it here in the Elementor editor, as you can see, I am in Layout tab. So scroll down and here you will see additional options. Just click in there additional options, and here you will see HTML tag. And currently it is set to default. Just click in this drop down, and here at the very bottom you will see a link, guys. Just click in there, and here you can add now link to this column. And to do this, just let's say I will add a link to YouTube. Click on update and I will view page now. And now as you can see at the bottom of the page, if I am hovering, there is only column but there is no content. If I am hovering, you can see that it is displaying YouTube. But if I click in there, you can see that now I am getting redirected to YouTube. So yes guys, this is how you can add link to column in Elementor to your WordPress page or WordPress website. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.